Today I am going to talk about my topic. My topic is entertainment.
Yes.
And so we see that and we know that every person running behind his hectic life, and no time for it, no time for his family members and his life even. So this time entertainment is the best source of remove his stress, and because our life is very dull and boring, so entertainment add the color in our life. So entertainment is very important for everyone's life. There is various types of entertainment, like singing and listening music is the best medium for entertainment, because every person and every student and every all of a person like singing and listening music. So music is a best medium for remove our stress and makes us happy. And there is many types, various types of entertainment, like dancing, games, chatting with our friends and family members, and visiting new places is the best medium for entertainment, because it remove our day by day stress. We see that our student life on this time, student life is very hectic, because they follow the hectic schedule in every day. So entertainment is a best way for remove her stress and makes us healthy, and games is a best entertainment source of make his life happy, and makes us strong. And games is a best medium for entertainment, and games help us to make our body is strong and fit. There is many types of entertainment, and dance is best way for entertainment. So that's all about my topic. Thank you for watching this video.
So let me ask you one thing. How to entertain yourself?
Sir, by dance, by listening music, and reading books.
So you dance at home without any audience.
Yes, sir.
I think generally that you are a dancer, you are room dancer. You dance at home, okay? Before nobody. Nobody is there to appreciate you, nobody is there to compliment you. Okay, very good. I am also bathroom singer. Okay, I like singing very much, but I don't want to sing before anybody else. Okay, so what is the role of entertainment in your life? Why do you entertain yourself? How do you feel after entertainment?
Sir, entertainment removes our stress. So,
But you have mentioned one thing, that chatting with your friends. Chatting with your friends also entertainment,
yes, sir.
and talking on phone with friends also entertainment.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some students and some people like talk very slowly, voice like it is also entertainment.
No, sir.
What is this? They talk to their friends stealthily, secretly, when their parents do not allow them to talk, but they talk to their friends. It is also entertainment. What is this?
Sir, this is not our entertainment.
This is also entertainment. The condition is that the parents do not want you to talk to someone else, but they are talking. It's entertainment, because the parents want you to sleep on time, get up on time. But when you are talking to someone else late night or early morning, so definitely they have a problem. But it's also entertainment. Everything, every activity of your life that give you pleasure is called entertainment. Okay, either it is profitable or not non-profitable. Okay, entertainment is a profitable, but it's a mentally profitable, okay, not a financially. Sometime entertainment is a financially profit. For example, playing cricket,
Yes.
or that is played by Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli.
Yes.
They are playing cricket for entertainment as well as earning money. Okay, their profession, their playing cricket is their profession. So in the life, if you enjoy your work, you take your work as an entertainment, definitely you will have a more possibility to be succeed, to be more happy, and your work will be your pleasure. Am I right?
Yes.
If your work is your entertainment, so I think each and everyone should enjoy their work as entertainment. Okay, definitely. Remember one thing, the way of entertainment is comfortable but not profitable, but way of study is not comfortable but profitable. Nobody wants to study long time. because the study is a type of a boring process. If you study your favorite book, your favorite topic, then you feel good. But whenever you study boring subject, for example, mathematics is boring for me, okay, physics is boring for you, I think science subject can never be boring. Science subject can never be boring. Science subject is really very interesting if you understand, otherwise boring. Actually, electron proton is a type of a ghost. Electron proton is not a visible. That is why the students find it difficult to understand. And some reactions, chemical reactions. Listen, do you know the double bond, single bond, triple bond in chemistry?
Yes, sir.
The teacher tells that it has a double bond, it has a single bond, but you haven't seen those bonds. That is why it is not interesting, because you haven't seen the bond. Then electrovalent bond, covalent bond, and another type of bond, NaCl, and reduction, oxidation. So I think that you haven't seen these process visually. That is why you are not feeling good. Okay. Acha, do you think that study is also entertainment? If it is entertainment, so when and how?
Sir, I feel the reading books also is entertainment. Reading, because nahi, sir, the poem, interesting poems,
Of course.
reading is entertainment. Person who is very stressed, so he will read the holy books, the Ramayana and the
Yes.
Ramayana and the Gita, because the holy books gives many types of solution for our problems and keep us happy.
Very good. Sir, which is your favorite subject?
Sir, political science is my favorite subject.
Political science. Why it is your favorite? What is in this subject?
Sir, because
This subject has a incident of past. Or what is what we read in this subject? We read the constitution or other things.
Sir,
Constitution, fundamental duties. What we read in this subject? हम पढ़ते क्या हैं इस subject में? Political science में? क्योंकि हिस्ट्री में तो पता है, we read history, what happened in the history, what happened in the past, we read in history, but what we read in political science? क्या ऐसे करते हैं कि किसको कैसे चुनाव हराना है, कैसे जिताना है, ऐसा कुछ रहता है क्या?
no, sir.
क्योंकि I am from science background, so I don't know what we read. And
Sir,
I studied social study in up to 10th class, but after that I started reading physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay. Yes, I am from science. Yes, okay. Yes.
Sir, constitution and articles,
Constitution articles.
articles,
Very good.
sir, fundamental rights
Fundamental
and
duties.
fundamental duties,
Yes. And democracy.
democracy.
Democracy constitution. Very good. Okay. So, what do you think about Hindi? Do you know any poem of your Hindi subject, of your class, of your previous classes? Do you know that poem of Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, सिंहासन हिल उठे राजबन सोने,
छपटी
ठीक
तानी
है?
थी, बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जबानी थी,
खूब
बुंदेले हर बोलों के में हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली
Yes,
रानी.
this poem really very inspiring, very inspiring, and it's very good for the girls when the girl is feeling themselves weak. That automatically this poem enable them to do something different, and this poem is a type of a woman, the example of woman empowerment. Okay, and do you know the one poem of Ramdhari Singh Dinkar? दो में से क्या तुम्हें चाहिए कलम या की तलवार? Do you know?
No.
Is this poem in your syllabus? It is also the best one. दो में से क्या तुम्हें चाहिए कलम या की तलवार, मन में ऊंचे भाव की तन में शक्ति अजय अपार, अंध कक्ष में बैठ रचोगे ऊंचे मीठे गान, या तलवार पकड़ जीतोगे बाहर जा मैदान। कलम देश की बड़ी शक्ति है भाव जगाने वाली, दिल ही नहीं दिमागों में भी आग लगाने वाली, पैदा करती कलम विचारों के जलते अंगारे, और प्रज्वलित प्राण देश का कभी मरेगा मारे। ठीक है, और भी आगे है और मुझे याद नहीं है। मतलब जब लोग अपने दिलों में पालते हैं हालाहल की धार, क्या चिंता यदि वहां हाथ में नहीं हुई तलवार। मतलब बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है, माइंड ब्लोइंग। और मैंने अपने चैनल पे भी शायद ये पोएम डाली है, तो आप देखना पीछे कभी, और नहीं तो रामधारी सिंह दिनकर की आप सर्च करोगे गूगल पे आ जाएगी। वेरी शॉर्ट फॉर्म, नहीं लॉन्ग फॉर्म एक। चलो ठीक है, तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर स्पीच टुडे। यू हैव रियली स्पोकन वेल अबाउट एंटरटेनमेंट. Entertainment is very important, but there should be limit for entertainment. Sit down.